Hello everyone, Mike here, and I'm going to talk about Apple TV Plus and what is it exactly? Because I don't really know. So here we are. Here's a description on Wikipedia. So it says it's an over-the-top ad-free subscription video-on-demand service, basically from Apple Inc. So this thing is a wannabe Netflix, and it basically has no shows. Okay, so here let's look at it on Apple TV Plus. So here are some of the ones. It's trying to advertise. So Oprah's on it. If you like Oprah, and there's like the news show that they this is like the main thing they were trying to sell. It's $4.99 a month. It says after 7 day trial, but it's like, what does it really have? So they gave me a year for free because I bought an Apple computer. So let's open up the app here. So here it is, right? And if you scroll through, you see, okay, here's the morning show that I guess I can get with the $4.99 a month play episode, right? But then it sprinkles in like HBO TV channels. I guess you can subscribe to those, right? But basically, you pay for this access to pay for more access to other stuff. Like, let's go into Doctor Who, right? This is on BBC. It wants me to buy this. It has nothing. It has nothing on here, right? But like three shows. It has no movies, right? And I get it's new, but you still released it. So like all this stuff, I have to pay for all this stuff. So I'm going to pay for a subscription service just to have access to buy movies. Like to me, that's a joke. Okay. So in conclusion, no, don't waste your money on this. At least not now until they actually make it worth money. But at this point, no, fail.